Hi, we're back to do the results of our experiment here. So, hopefully you've made your hypothesis. Now let's see what happens. So I'm going to make it rain for about 10 seconds on each of our landscapes. Okay, let's see what happened. So, the rocks look exactly the same as they looked before. They have not been moved. And in the bottom of the tray here, you can see there's a little bit of dirt in there, but not too much. The water's pretty clear. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, our freshly plowed field on a hill definitely had some erosion. So if you look at the very top here, there's a big hole where a lot of the water came. And going down the middle, there's a little bit of an indentation where a little stream must have formed. And if we look at the bottom, pretty dirty in here. Lots of gook. There's some little rocks and other debris inside the container here. So that definitely eroded. And then our plants, they look pretty much the same. I can see some of the roots up here where the water came down hard. So there's a little bit of erosion there. Could you guys see that? I'm not sure. Could you see that? And then in the water, if you look carefully in the water, there's a little bit of stuff floating in there, but not too much. It's a little dirty, but it's for the most part clear. So why did that happen? So when the rain hit the rocks actually slows it down a bit. By the time it gets to the dirt, it's not coming down as hard. And the rocks are adding pressure to that dirt and kind of compressing it into place. So that's why there wasn't very much erosion in the rocks. In the plants, the roots of the plants actually grab onto the soil. So they're helping hold that soil in place. These plants aren't that old, so I don't think the roots are quite that big yet. If it was a real field, I don't think we would have seen very much erosion at all. And then in our freshly plowed field, the dirt was all loose. There's nothing holding that dirt together. So the water just washed it away. So hopefully your hypothesis was right. Have fun today.